Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for Fuzzbusters presentation, financial presentation. First of all, I'm going to introduce the total market in 2011. The total market will be a total of 50.84 billion. The estimated breakdown would be food, 19.53 billion, supplies, medicine, 11.4 billion, vet care, 14.11, live animal purchases, 2.15, pet services, grooming and boarding, 3.65.
All right, so what Fawaz just went through was the total available market in the pet care industry. And what we're looking at here is estimating how much revenue we're going to get in the first year. So that total available market is 90 million households in the United States. So we want to focus on selling our product, the Fuzzbuster Dog Door, to households with a high income that can afford our product. So we want to pull the money from where the money is. So our served available market we've determined to be about 5 million households throughout the country. And our goal would be to capture 3% of this served available market by year 5. Therefore, we'd like to sell 100,000 units by year 5, and the units sell for $150 each is our determined price at this moment. So we multiply that out, that's $15 million in revenue by year 5. So in order to stay on the path of 100% revenue growth each year, we need $1 million of revenue in the first year to stay on plan. This means we need to sell 6,000 units in the first year. All right, so moving on. The price of $150 was decided on by using the value network diagram we came up with. We looked at the prices from some external suppliers and calculated the cost of goods sold to be about $50 per unit. So if we take that out, we need to sell $6,000 in the first year times $50. That's the $300,000 in cost of goods sold you're seeing on the spreadsheet here. All right, now Fawaz is going to take you through some of the rationale behind some of the other expenses we have.
All right, going back to the value network, as we said, it'll be around $50 when we add up the suppliers and all the things we use to create the dog door. Going back to the marketing side of the project, first of all, marketing would be a total of $250,000 the first year, and that will be on a couple of different stuff. First of all, a website, a magazine, advertisement, a billboard. Marketing will be able to reach our customers in a wide range. Utilizing our alliances through PetSmart will also be able to grasp more customer. And through our website, retailers will have specific advertising that will attract pet owners to our product. These web retailers will be an essential marketing technique and way for us to reach a wider capacity. Once we reach a certain capacity of customers, we can move into a greater market advertising by creating television commercials and much more through the 5 years we plan ahead. And going to research and development. The research and development is largely for further developing the technology that will be used in the hair attracting material. The amount of research and development, the amount we put in research and development will be $150,000 for the first year, and will increase on the next years to further research. And for the general costs, we will need to hire some additional staff like salesmen the first year. Additionally, we need to bring a CEO, as we mentioned in previous presentations. We need a CEO in the first 2 or 3 years. And going back to the usage of funds, splits to it adds up to a total of 1,015,000, and it splits to a couple of different steps. First of all, equipment, 150,000, inventory, which is 60,000, other startups, 30,000, costs of goods sold, 300,000, marketing and sales, 250,000, research and development, 150,000. And general cost 75,000 we mentioned, totaling up to $1,015,000. First of all, discussing the initial investments and working capital for the initial investments, we're getting about 250,000 from our investors, and for the paid-in capital, we're paying 350,000 to start the business, adding up to 600,000. 600,000 to start, like for beginning, put in money, to start the business, and for the going back to our last graph, which is the 5-year trend for our revenue, total expenses, and net income, we can see that the revenue increases and over the 5 years. Thank you very much.